welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Anyway, so today I'm going to show you some nice 10 quick hairstyles on natural hair. No heat, no gel, no extensions, just my hair. I know which hair, right? Yes, this hair. We're gonna take it from this till, you know, all the way. You know me, we taking everything from 0 to boop, 100. Okay. Okay guys, so I've already washed my hair and conditioned it, twisted it out. If you want to see my wash routine, you can check out my previous video. And so I'm just going to be using my Jamaican black castor oil mixed in with my coconut oil, and just to make this hair shine bright like a diamond, and you know, okay. And then we're going to start with my styling. So the first style, guys, I'll just take my twist out and just comb it. I won't be combing it all the way through. I'll just be lifting the hair just to maintain those little twists, you know. Take my brush, you know, just brush my edges real quick, okay? I won't be combing it all the way through. I'll just be lifting the hair with my fingers, you know, just making sure it's nice and even and cute and, you know, or whatever. Yes, guys. Okay, isn't she cute? Okay, for the second style, guys, I'm just gonna be using my shoelace. I'll just push back my hair a little bit, not all the way through, not all the way to a ponytail, just a little bit. And then I'll just use my afro comb as well and just comb it out and just lift the hair as well, the way I did with my previous one. And I'll just use these accessories that I got from Amazon, guys, and just take this from 0 all the way to 100. Okay. All right, for the third one, guys, I'm just going to part the hair in the front, a little section, just the way I did right there, and just twist and use a bobby pin to secure it. Then I'll do the front, the whole front, so I'll do the other side as well, the right side and the left side, just exactly the same way. Twist and then use a bobby pin. And then I'll just take a little accessory. You know me, the accessorizing queen. Huh? Yes. Okay. See that, girl? Oh. All right, guys, for my fourth hairstyle, I'll just comb my hair out using my afro comb, and then I'll use my shoelace just to make a puff to the front side, guys. I'm trying to make this puff as close to my, you know, forehead as possible. I'm just gonna be using some accessories that I got from Amazon just to take this all the way again, honey. Yes, you know me by now, guys. Don't be surprised. All right, for the fifth style, guys, I'm just going to part my hair in the middle, just like this, because I'm trying to make this two puffs, you know, trying to make this as straight as possible. Oh, the struggle is real. I'll be using this accessories that I got from Amazon as well. So I'm going to use a bobby pin to secure the accessory, guys, and then just put that in the front, you know, just to make this little stars in the front. Okay. All right, guys, I'm going to section my hair from ear to ear, and then I'll just make a cornrow. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna comb my hair in the back and use my shoelace to secure that, to make a puff. Okay, and then I'll just use some bobby pins to secure that. And then I'll just secure the end of my cornrow with, you know, an accessory, of course. I'll put all these accessories in my description box, so don't worry. Alright, guys, the next style, I'm just going to section my hair in the middle from ear to ear, and then this style, I'm just going to do a fold and tack and use bobby pins to secure. So just go along the front section, just fold, tack, bobby pin, you know, secure this baby, okay? And then the back, I'm just going to fold and tack it as well. And I'll just use an accessory, you know, just to bump it up. Okay, bump it up. I think I should just call this video 10 hairstyles with accessories. No? Alright, guys, I'll be using this scarf that I got from Amazon. This scarf is so cute, okay? I'll just place the scarf in the middle of my head, and then I'll pull the hair to the front, you know, the front side, and then I'll just flap it out and use my hands to adjust the back. And I use this scarf on my head wrap tutorials. If you guys want to see my head wrap tutorial, please check that out. Alright, the next one, I'm just going to take the same scarf and just, you know, use this to make a puff in the back. Okay, that's cute too. The last one, guys, I will just take the scarf as well, just place it in the front and make a bowl, you know, a nice cute little bowl, and comb the hair out in the back, make this into a big fro, you know, or whatever. And then that's about it, guys. Okay, she cute too. Yes. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, and take care. Mwah.